Follow me, because by the end of this video, you'll wonder how you spent all this time without knowing this important information. Black seed oil, also known as Nigella sativa oil, has been called the remedy for everything but death. And trust me, that's not just ancient hype. If you've never explored its benefits, you're about to embark on a 10-day health adventure that could change your life. This isn't some trendy superfood. It's a centuries-old powerhouse backed by modern science. Let's dive into why black seed oil deserves a spot in your daily routine, starting today. Day 13. The Immune Booster. On the first day of using black seed oil, your body begins to experience its potent immune-enhancing properties. The oil is rich in thymoquinone, a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound. Research has shown that black seed oil can strengthen your immune system, helping you ward off common illnesses like colds and flu. Studies indicate that regular use can increase the activity of white blood cells, your body's natural defense mechanism. Practically speaking, this means fewer sick days and a body that's better equipped to fight off infections. Try taking a teaspoon in the morning with warm water or mixing it into a smoothie. The taste is bold. Think slightly peppery with earthy undertones, but the health payoff is worth it. Day 4-6. Gut health and digestion. By day 4, you might notice improvements in your digestion. Black seed oil has long been used to soothe gastrointestinal issues, from bloating to indigestion. It stimulates bile production, which aids in breaking down fats and absorbing nutrients more effectively. In a study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology, participants using black seed oil reported significant relief from symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, EBS, and other digestive issues. If you've struggled with an unpredictable stomach, this could be your solution. To enhance the effects, pair your daily dose with a high-fiber diet. You'll feel lighter, more energized, and less bogged down by bloating. Day 7-8. Glowing skin and luscious hair. Around day 7, your skin and hair might start to show noticeable changes. Black seed oil's anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties make it a game changer for skin health. It can help reduce acne, soothe eczema, and even out your complexion. When applied topically, it hydrates and nourishes your skin, leaving it with a natural glow. As for your hair, black seed oil strengthens follicles, reduces dandruff, and promotes growth. This is thanks to its high content of fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals. Pro tip: mix a few drops of black seed oil into your moisturizer or massage it directly onto your scalp. Day 9-10. Energy and mental clarity. By day 9, you'll likely notice a shift in your energy levels and mental clarity. Black seed oil has adaptogenic properties, meaning it helps your body adapt to stress and balance hormones. It also supports brain health by reducing oxidative stress, which can lead to improved focus and memory. A 2014 study found that black seed oil could enhance cognitive performance, making it a natural choice for students, professionals, or anyone looking to sharpen their mental edge. Whether you're tackling a work project or simply trying to stay sharp in your day-to-day life, this oil can give you the boost you need. Bonus benefits: heart health, weight management, and more. Black seed oil doesn't stop there. Regular use can also support heart health by lowering bad cholesterol, LDL, and increasing good cholesterol. AD. It has even been linked to better blood sugar regulation, making it a valuable addition to the diets of people with type 2 diabetes. If weight loss is your goal, black seed oil might help you there too. It can curb your appetite and improve metabolism, helping you shed unwanted pounds naturally. Addressing the big question, is it safe? Many people ask if black seed oil is safe for everyday use, and the answer is a resounding yes when used correctly. Stick to the recommended dosage, usually 1 to 2 teaspoons daily, to avoid any potential side effects. If you're pregnant, nursing, or on medication, consult your doctor before starting. The truth about consistency. Here's the catch. The benefits of black seed oil aren't a magic pill. They come from consistent, daily use. That's why this 10-day journey is just the beginning. To experience its full potential, make it a permanent part of your wellness routine. Wrapping it up. Black seed oil is one of those rare natural remedies that delivers on multiple fronts, boosting your immunity, improving digestion, enhancing your skin and hair, and even sharpening your mind. It's affordable, versatile, and backed by centuries of use and modern science. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like this video and share it with someone who could use a natural health boost. Watch the video until the end, because by the time it's over, you'll wonder how you've spent all this time without knowing these important tips. Black seed oil, the 10-day adventure to better health. Don't ignore. 95% of people don't know. Use black seed oil for skin glow. Apply a few drops of black seed oil to your skin daily to reduce acne, brighten your complexion, and fight signs of aging. Boost your immunity naturally. Consume a teaspoon of black seed oil with honey every morning to strengthen your immune system. Soothe joint pain quickly. Massage black seed oil onto your joints for relief from arthritis and inflammation. Enhance hair growth. Mix black seed oil with coconut oil and massage it into your scalp to reduce hair loss and stimulate hair growth. Improve digestion. Add a few drops of black seed oil to warm water and drink it after meals to ease bloating and indigestion. Control blood sugar levels. Take black seed oil daily to help regulate your blood sugar levels naturally. Aid in weight management. Combine black seed oil with lemon water in the morning to boost metabolism and burn fat. Fight respiratory issues. Inhale steam infused with black seed oil to alleviate congestion and respiratory discomfort. Enhance brain function. Regular intake of black seed oil may improve memory and focus by supporting brain health. Boost energy levels. Consume black seed oil to combat fatigue and maintain energy throughout the day. Detoxify your body. Combine black seed oil with apple cider vinegar to cleanse your liver and kidneys. Promote restful sleep. Take a teaspoon of black seed oil before bed to calm your mind and improve sleep quality. Protect your heart. Use black seed oil to lower cholesterol and support heart health naturally. Improve oral health. Gargle with black seed oil to fight bacteria, reduce bad breath, and maintain healthy gums. Relieve headaches naturally. Massage black seed oil onto your temples to soothe headaches and migraines. Reduce allergic reactions. Regular use of black seed oil may help reduce symptoms of allergies, such as sneezing and itching. Combat infections. Apply black seed oil to minor cuts and wounds for its antibacterial and healing properties. Strengthen nails. Rub black seed oil onto your nails to prevent breakage and promote growth. Enhance workout recovery. Consume black seed oil post-workout to reduce muscle soreness and aid recovery. Support hormonal balance. Black seed oil can help regulate hormones and ease symptoms of PMS or menopause. Enjoy these tips and start your 10-day black seed oil journey for a healthier, happier you.